In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital product to capture emails on Kit.com. Start by opening Kit.com and heading to your dashboard. From there, look for the Earn section and click it. This is where your monetization tools live. Next, choose Products to open the area where all your digital items are managed. Click Create a product to begin setting up a new offer. You'll land on the product details screen. Give your product a clear, benefit-focused name so visitors instantly understand what they're getting. Then choose the product type. Select product for a one-time digital download or access, or select subscription if you want ongoing, recurring access, such as a newsletter or members-only content. Both options can help you capture emails. Kit collects the buyer's email at checkout, so pick the model that best fits your offer. When that's set, click Next. On the product price screen, choose your pricing method. Standard sets a fixed price, pay what you want lets buyers decide the amount, and payment plans split higher prices over time. For email capture, pay what you want can lower friction while still letting people support your work, but use what aligns with your strategy. Enter your price details. If it makes sense for your product, enable the option for customers to choose a quantity. Then select your currency to match your audience or business location. Click Next to continue. Now you're on fulfillment, where you decide what customers receive after purchase. Under I'm selling, choose the option that fits your deliverable. Send a file is perfect for lead magnets like PDFs, templates, or checklists. Go to URL works well if you want people redirected to a private page, course, or download hub. A newsletter is ideal if your main goal is growing subscribers through a recurring product. Pick the most relevant option, add the file or destination as prompted, and click Next. On the domain name screen, you can brand your product page for trust and consistency. If you have one, add a custom domain to keep your URL on brand. Then set a clean, memorable page URL slug, short, descriptive, and easy to share. Finally, click Create Product. Your digital product is now set up on Kit. From here, you can preview your product page, double-check the checkout flow, and share the link wherever your audience finds you. As people purchase or subscribe, their emails are captured automatically, helping you build a list while delivering real value.